Hey, it's Dr. Nuesse from EasyDOTphysicals.com, back again with another update video, hopefully a quick update video here. This is if you are interested in the ongoing process that is rescheduling marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. I've got some dates for you, one that just happened, and then several to look forward to in the future that are important kind of landmarks as we look towards this rescheduling process by the federal government. So, number one is on May 21st, this is dated May 21st, the proposed rule was finally published on the Federal Register, and you can look at this yourself on federalregister.gov. It's called Schedules of Controlled Substances, Rescheduling of Marijuana. It is extremely lengthy. They go through all kinds of research on why they changed the rule. So I've read a little bit about it. I might read it a little bit more completely, and then if anything sounds really off base or that I feel like you would need to know, I will be back with another update video, but I wanted to get this date video out first. So they published the rule. Now what happens is there is a 60-day period where the public can read and then comment on the rule, give feedback basically. So that ends July 22nd, so 2 months. And then at that point, they will work on finalizing the rule, which will move marijuana from a Schedule 1 substance federally by the federal government to a Schedule 3 substance. And there's an estimated time frame here, sometime in August or September. Now, I did a video previously where I estimated that this would all get wrapped up before the election. Now, you can speculate on why that might be if you would like, but I think it's sometime in September. I think that's accurate, and then I think they will heavily use that as part of the campaign process. Again, if you read into that what you will. But anyway, September probably is when the final rule will go into effect and marijuana will actually move from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3. So again, just to recap, the rule has been published. You can read it at federalregister.gov right now if you want. And there's a 60-day period for the public to comment on it. That ends July 22nd, and then another month or two, hopefully, to finalize this switch from marijuana being a Schedule 1 substance to a Schedule 3 substance. All right, I'll be back with more. Stay subscribed. Until next time, everybody, stay safe.